objective of our challenge is to generate a charge by contact or induction and to calculate the charge. We're going to calculate that by doing it theoretically and by analyzing it with a charge meter.
Now I'm going to explain how we did it. We took two unicell balls, then we covered them with aluminum paper. Then we took a string, two strings, and wrapped them to one place. And then we took rabbit skin and friction it with a rule in order to get something charged negatively. And then we did contact with the balls in order to charge them, and with them charged with the same sign, then they will supposed to repel. So this is what we want, a distance between them.
Yeah. Okay, so this is our free body diagram. We isolated one of the two balls to get the X and Y components and get the tension.
Okay, as we can see, over the y direction we make the sum of forces in y. We have all this data and we obtain the tension. Then with that tension, that is 6.88 times 10 to the minus 3, we put it in the x sum of forces that are acting the electric force to obtain the Q, the charge.
Now, as we can see, we have a big percentage of error. And that's because we have the experimental charge and theoretical charge. And as we can see, we get this with lower probe. And we think it's not accurate enough. And we have this with measures, but our measurements are not that, we don't have the equipment to do it like well. And another problem we think we thought we have is we assume the balls have the same charge, and it is not.